In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use portfolios in Asana to track projects. By the end, you'll have a single place to see how your key projects are doing, what's on track, and what needs attention. Start by opening Asana and navigating to the Portfolio section. This feature is available on Business and Enterprise plans. If you don't see it in your sidebar, check your plan or ask your admin. Click Portfolios to open the area where all your high-level views live. Next, create a new portfolio. Look for the Create Portfolio button and select it. This opens a blank portfolio shell you can customize. Give your portfolio a clear, descriptive name, such as Marketing Q1 Initiatives or Product Roadmap. Add a short description to explain the scope, goals, and how you intend to use it. A concise description helps teammates understand what belongs in this portfolio and what doesn't. Now add projects. Choose the projects you want to monitor from your workspace. You can search by project name and add as many as are relevant. Think about what you need to see at a glance. Cross-functional initiatives, key deliverables, or any projects that roll up to a leadership review. You can reorder projects later to group similar efforts together. With your projects in place, use the portfolio to track statuses, deadlines, and overall progress. Each project card will surface critical data like status updates, due dates, percent complete, and owners. Sort or filter to bring the most urgent work to the top. Scan status colors to quickly spot what's at risk, then drill into a project if you need more detail. Deadlines across projects help you understand what's coming up, avoid collisions, and make confident prioritization calls. To keep your portfolio trustworthy, encourage project owners to post regular status updates and maintain accurate dates. Set aside a weekly moment to review the portfolio and use it to guide check-ins or leadership updates. Over time, you'll build a reliable dashboard that replaces scattered spreadsheets and one-off pings. For clarity, keep your portfolio focused on a theme, like a quarter, a program, or a team. Consistent naming across projects and clear due dates make the portfolio far more readable. If you need more context on a project, open it in a new tab, review its tasks, then return to the portfolio without losing your place. That's it. You navigated to portfolios, created one, named it with context, added the right projects, and now you're using it to monitor status, deadlines, and progress, all in one place.